So here's the truth people really don't want to admit. AI is replacing people. It's replacing entire teams, writers, editors, designers, entire content departments. And the ones that actually use AI and they know how to structure it and stack the tools, they're actually scaling faster, earning more, and they're working less than they ever have before. Just a few years ago, here's what you actually needed to grow your business online: a copywriter for your scripts, a video editor for your content, a designer for your thumbnails, a VA for your emails, and then a manager and an assistant to coordinate all of it. That was actually the price of scaling online. Today, though, one person can do all of that way better, and they can do it faster, cleaner, and better. And it costs way less. So it's actually leveled the playing field. AI has literally turned creativity into multiplication. It doesn't replace you. It actually replaces your bottlenecks and makes you move better. So I want to talk about and get more specific on how AI is your multiplier here. Here's what AI tools are now handling for everybody. Okay, let's break this down so you can understand what this looks like. So for script writing, you can use ChatGPT or ideascript.ai. Or you can even use, Claude, or you can use Perplexity. You can use all these different tools now to just get a nice, clean, organized piece of content scripted out nicely. Then you've got video editing. You've got VO, or you can use CapCut with AI. There's a lot of tools now that you can use to actually get the video edited after you create it. Thumbnails, thumbnail AI, or you could use Midjourney, or you can use Google AI Studio with Nano Banana and Imagine. You can also use this fall.ai. All of these tools help you create amazing visuals that really work better than ever before, and you don't have that stock footagey type thing happening. Then voiceovers. Okay, so you've got 11 Labs, you've got a lot of these tools, in fall.ai will do a lot of things to turn your voice, where you can scale your voice, you can fix parts of things that maybe you left out, or you can just create full-on voiceover videos. And then as far as B-roll and visuals inside of your video, you can use, again, Sora 2, you can use Pika Labs, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Google AI Studio, fall.ai. All those tools will help you come up with nice B-roll and visuals you can put inside your content that'll help people understand and get more from it. And then just your social posts. So posting community posts or posting inside your school, you use ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. I like using ChatGPT. I think it's kind of the forerunner of everything, but a lot of these tools have little different, tweaks about them that can maybe fit into your regimen that you're doing. But it replaces script writing, video editing, thumbnails, B-roll, voiceovers, social posts. All those things just take a lot of time, and now AI can simplify all of that for you. And when you use that, one video becomes 5 short-form videos, 1 blog post or community post. It can turn into 3 social clips. It can turn into a newsletter. It can turn into a post inside your school. And all of this happens in just a few hours with one single source. So don't think of yourself as like this, content creator anymore. I'd start thinking about yourself as more of like a media company of one.